Welcome viewer back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through a super handy skill, how to replace a specific color in Photoshop 2024. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to transform colors in your images, whether it's swapping out a background color, fixing a design element, or just getting creative with your photos. This is a must-have trick for anyone working with digital images, whether you're editing photos for social media or polishing up graphics for work or school. Let's get started. First up, go ahead and open Photoshop. Take a moment to launch the program. If it's your first time, you'll notice Photoshop has a bit of an intimidating layout, but don't worry, we're just focusing on the tools you need for color replacement. Now bring in the image you want to edit. To do this, use File up in the top left, then Open, and select your file from your computer. You should see your image appear right on your canvas. Now, if your goal is to change just one specific color, let's say there's a background color you want to swap out, like turning a dull gray wall to a vibrant blue, you'll want to isolate that area first. For this, we're going to use the Magic Wand tool. It's an incredibly useful feature that automatically selects regions of your image with similar colors in just one click. Find the Magic Wand in the toolbar. It looks like a little stick with sparkles. If you can't see it, just press W on your keyboard to get there quickly. Once the Magic Wand tool is active, click on the color in your image that you want to change. For example, if your background is green and you want it blue, just click directly on that green. The tool will highlight that color wherever it occurs, which is perfect for backgrounds or solid areas. Sometimes, depending on your image's details, the Magic Wand will select more or less than you want. Don't worry. If some areas are missed, you can adjust the tolerance up top, which tells Photoshop how closely or loosely it should match similar colors. If it grabs too many areas, tweak it lower. If it misses spots, bump it up higher until you get the coverage you need. With your color now selected, it's time to swap it out. Let's grab the Paint Bucket tool. Find it in the Tool panel. It looks just like a little paint bucket, and if you can't spot it, press G as a shortcut. Now you want to pick the color you want to use as a replacement. Look at your foreground color at the bottom of the toolbar. That's the color the paint bucket will use. Click on that square, and Photoshop's color picker will pop up. Here you can select any color you need, whether you want an exact match with a palette or just something bright and lively. Take a second to get this right. It really makes your final image stand out. Once you've chosen your new color, go back to your selected area and click right on it with the Paint Bucket tool. Photoshop will instantly fill the area with your new color. Watch your image transform. This is the fun part. Sometimes the fill can look a little sharp or artificial, so give it a quick look. If you want it to blend a bit better, play with the opacity and tolerance settings of the paint bucket to get a smoother finish. And there you have it. Your selected color is now successfully replaced. Take a moment to zoom out and check your work. If anything looks off, it's easy to undo and tweak the settings. Don't worry if it's not perfect right away. Color work in Photoshop takes a bit of trial and error, especially with more complex images. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. If you've got a question about any step or if you want advice on another Photoshop feature, just drop a comment below. I love hearing what you're working on. And if you want more tips and creative tutorials, hit subscribe so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.